everybody, here we are back in the garage, and here's the Eagle Talon. Might be the last time you see it. The guy's coming tonight to pick it up. Got a good deal on it. Well, I sold it for a good price, so I am gonna miss it. It was a good car. I did have some fun building it, put it together. You know, always wanted one of these. These are really rare cars. It's like a mini Evo to me, but I want bigger and better things, right? So the car is older. I think I reached a point that I put this much money into it that I'm going to break even. Well, not break even. I'm still going to make some money out of it, but if I put any more, I think it's just going to go backwards. You know, I'm not going to make any more profit off of it. It is where it is. If I built into a drag car, it would have been tons more money put into it, more downtime, which is more money out of pocket, and the downtime does deduct, so it does count. So are you really making money out of it in the long run after you put all this into it? So I decided, let me just get rid of it. You know, this is the right time, right moment. I had my fun for maybe less than a year. I go through cars a lot, but instead of buying another car just to build again, let's try to use this money and invest it into something else. Try to make a little bit more money, not just a flip. So I'll show you guys that in a minute. Well, you know, in the next video probably, or in the same video. But I'll let you know when I'm going to start getting into the breakdown on that, how you can invest this type of money, and hopefully we generate it. And I'll take you guys through all of that, and hopefully you like it. But here's the car, last walk around. Again, I'll tell you the setup. So it's a 91 Eagle Talon. This car, I bought it stock, completely stock. It drove. The fuel tank, the fuel pump was bad on the car, so I replaced the fuel pump, and the car turned on right away. No issues really. Well, it had some issues. You know, it was old, needed oil, all kinds of stuff. You know, the basic stuff an old car or any car sitting for a long time goes through. So with that said, so once I did that, it was smoking for a little bit. I waited some time. I upgraded the turbo. That was smoking. I took the head off because I needed new valve seals. Once I did that, I got the head decked out, new lifters, new valve seals, cleaned everything out, put that back together, Cometa head gasket, external wastegate, T3, 50-trim turbo, 2G MAF, 550 injectors, external fuel pump, and then I'm just using the AFC to tune it. Of course, I deleted the ABS and cruise control. That was out. Everything is still here. The AC is still there. New radiator, couple things. Been driving the car, no issues. Florida has been so hot this summer, over 100 degrees easily, and she's been doing really good. Custom front mount that I got from my buddy Rambo from RamFab, so he hooked me up with that. We sprayed the car really quick. You saw those videos. I had the Motegi track lights. Now I have the Jegs. These are 15x7, I think 4-inch back spacing. With some street tires, Megan lowering springs, AGX shocks in the back, stock brand new Monroe shocks in the front, urethane motor mount, a couple little things. You guys also saw I replaced the clutch, so all of those are done. And I don't know if you guys saw this, but I added my brother's Type X lip. I finished that and got it painted before the show at Summer Vibes, and there she is. So, you know, she will be missed. It's a great car, super reliable, I think, for what it was. You know, still need a little couple things here and there, but for what year it is, how many miles it has 113,000 miles stock. She drives great, man. It's a really, really great car. Really wish I can keep it, but again, this is going to turn into something better. Maybe in the future I might get another one later, or just like an Evo 5. I think an Evo 5 would be really something I would like. It comes with a Evo 8 motor, so it's a little bit different. It'll just turn the other way. But here she is, again, 1991 Eagle Talon, all-wheel drive, TSI, no rust. Yeah, I'm going to miss it. So it was a fun car. I loved it. So it was really great, but it's just a car, you know. There's more to come. So I'll catch you guys back on that, and you know, we'll see when the owner gets here. I'm not sure if he'll let me record him. If not, you know, I'll try to get something in there, but this will be a short video of the car, and then I'll let you guys know what I'm doing next. All right, the last ride. get one of these. All right, we're back. This is gonna be a two-part series. I sold the car, so Eagle Talon's gone. I didn't get to record. The guy didn't really want me to record him. Some people don't like that stuff, but let me get this. Fix the camera. And then, as you can see, this is what I bought. 2013 Scion FR-S. No, I'm not gonna build it. I'm just gonna take it apart, strip it. It's an investment I wanted to get into. I see a lot of people do it, and I'm trying to do it. See what happens. So I've been super busy. This is really had to get the car shipped from Georgia, so I bought it from Georgia, came here to Florida, Tampa, Florida. Then it got shipped, went to a location, to a body shop, and then forgot what happened. Oh, got a tow truck to pick it up, drop it off at my place. I'm gonna do it here, see what happens. I've just been busy stripping it, trying to post some stuff up. So if you do see anything that you guys are interested, you can email me at ortizgarage12@gmail.com, and then or just message me. So, but here it is. So 2013 FR-S. I already started stripping it. As you can see, it got crashed already. So a little dark in here. Let me turn this down. Fan off. You see, she got hit really bad. It's a little dark in here, so get the light going.